Okay, so so today we are going to start with the last topics. What are all the last topics? So there is a if and else condition. So when we are using a condition, so this is we are very sure about. We should know when to use which condition and all. So yesterday conditions we just going to be have a look on and we'll go for the next topic. So just I will open my folder. Okay, so just a minute. Okay. So now here what we are going to do, we are going to create a one more file. So that file will be index14.html. So it is initializing the file library, so it might take some time. The last session we have discussed about the if else condition. So when we are using a if else condition, so if you just see the any scenario like that, if you're going for the metro, if you're going for the any like train ticket booking or wherever, so you're traveling in the train, so any scenario it is going to be asked the if else condition. So just I want to brief one more time. So if you're just going with the what you can say the train, so this is a the condition. Uh, Sorry, this is a yeah. So just you are going for some show or something scary program, scary house program, something like that. So there you have to show the your ID card or Aadhaar card or ID card. So they are expecting a PAN card or Aadhaar card. The first condition it is going to be checked. Okay. So let's say I want to draw with a one example. Okay. So you want to up going for the movie. Okay. So movie or somewhere like that. Okay, so this is the movie ticket. So first one is what they are going to be check the condition. Okay, so you are going to be have a this is the one condition. So what is the first condition? So you should have a Aadhaar card. Okay, if you don't have an Aadhaar card, so then you are going to go to the home. Okay, so if you don't have an Aadhaar card, so you have to go for a home. So then sometimes what happens? At least if you don't have Aadhaar cards, just show me the PAN card. Okay, for the identity proof. So if you don't have a Aadhaar card, if you don't have a PAN card, then you are going to the home, or else either one of them is having the card, then you are going to be attend. Okay, so this is called what we can say uh, X1 Aadhaar card, PAN card is there. Okay, so now open with the live server. It is going to be open this one. Okay, so as the code wise, so first one is a one card is called a Aadhaar card, and the second one is a PAN card. The first one is a I don't have a Aadhaar card means, so this block will be not executed. It will come for a next if block. So here X2 is what a PAN card. So even if you don't have a PAN card and Aadhaar card, so then it will come for the else block what, so you are going to be it is going to be execute, neither you don't have allow to the enter a cinema hall or something like that, it will show like this. Okay, so this is the if else condition, so we already discussed. Okay, if you have a something x1 equals to, if you have a Aadhaar card, Control S. If you just go here, where is this one? So just I want to comment for Y. Yes, you are allowed to enter a cinema theater. Why? Because so he has a Aadhaar card. So that's why yes, you are allowed to enter the cinema. So if you don't have a Aadhaar card and he has a PAN card, control C. The first case is he don't have a Aadhaar card, so that is why then this block will be not executed. Then again, at least if you don't have Aadhaar card, show me the PAN card. Okay, so this is the PAN card. Yes, you are allowed to at least you have a PAN card. Okay, so if you don't have Aadhaar card, no issue. At least if you have a PAN card, you don't have Aadhaar card, and if you don't have a PAN card, so first it will check for this condition, and it will check for this condition as well. If the condition is not matched, then it is going to be allowed to the yes, you are not allowed to enter the cinema hall. Not you are not having either Aadhaar card or a PAN card. Okay, so this is how it is going to be work if else condition. Okay, so if the what is the if what is the first condition we are going to discuss? So if we have a okay, I will explain one more thing. Okay, so okay, first is what you have a Aadhaar card means you are allowed to enter. So something like that, you have a metro car, you are going to the metro. Okay, so they are going to be asked, show me the QR code or show me the coin. Okay, first they will ask us, show me the coin. If you don't have, then you are not allowed. Then they will ask her, if you don't have a coin, at least you can show the QR code or a ticket, something like that. If you have if you don't have a coin, then at least you have a QR code, then you are allowed to enter in the metro station. If you don't have a QR code, and if you don't have a coin, then you are not allowed to the metro station. You are, they are going to be send you back. Okay. The next will come the switch statement. Okay, control S. So script. Okay, the switch statement is used to perform a different actions on a different conditions. Okay, so there are a different actions on different based on the different condition. They are going to be give us different actions. Okay, so what is the first we will understand the how it will be there. Okay, so here it is a switch will be there and the bracket. Okay, then open close brackets. Okay, so here some condition will be there. Okay, something condition will be, we can say expression. So then we have different conditions. So this is the condition 1. Okay, this is the condition 1, and you have a block of a code. So you have a block of a code here, then you have a break. Okay, so like that you have a n number of conditions here. Okay, block of a code. So this is a one expression and this is the condition. It is going to be match. Whichever the match, so that will be executed. Okay, so we are going to be take one example, then we'll explain. Okay, how to do this one? First we'll take a switch. Okay, then new date of dot get the day is the method. So here it is going to be get the date, from there it is going to be get the day. What is the day here? Now today is a Wednesday. Okay. See, today is a uh, Wednesday. So now what happens? I want to case. I will take a first condition. What is this one? Case 0. Then the, sorry, this is my expression or a code of a block. Day equals to Sunday. And break. Okay. So what is the day here? So I will take a let the day equals to empty string. Okay. So okay. So this is a day case 1. This is the case 2, Monday. And for the case 3, whether it is a Monday or a Tuesday. Wednesday. Thursday. Friday. Saturday. So 6th, 7th. Okay. So this is the switch block. So what is a switch block? It is going to be perform for a specific conditions for a specific situation. Okay, or a different actions. So this is a different actions and for the different condition. What is the condition? This is the day we need to find. So first, new date. It is going to be give the complete date and get day. So it is going to be fetch the present day. First it will come case 0 day Sunday. So is it Sunday today? No. So this block will be not executed. Case 1 day. Is it Monday today? No. So this block will be not executed. Okay. Case 1. Okay. Case 3. Is it Tuesday today? No. This block will be not executed. And it will come for the case 4. Is it Wednesday? Yes. This day will be written. Okay. So here what happens? So document dot get element by id dot inner html equals to day. Okay, so what is the id here? So I will define a id here, h2 hash demo, enter. See, that is a shorthand writing of a h2 id demo. Okay, so now I will pass the demo attribute, control s, right click, open with the live server. See, this is the Tuesday it is printing. How Tuesday is printing? What is the date and get date method will do? So just I want to print here one more thing. Document dot write. Today's date is plus date. What it will do? It will print the present date. Okay. So it will print the present date. So just I will go here. I will rerun it one more time. See, Tuesday. Sorry, today's date is Wednesday, March. Uh, why Tuesday? It's wrong, right? Get day. Yeah. So there is a one condition. We need to start with a 0. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Control S, Wednesday. So today's date is Wednesday, 27 March is there. So what we will do, dot get day, Control Shift I. What is the error? Yeah, so here what happens? We need to take as an own variable. So here let x equals to date, that x it is going to be printed. So how to print it? So here let x equals to date. Okay. So x dot get day, x dot get day bracket control s. Yeah, control s, x dot get day. Why? What is a mistake? So just okay. If you're not get means, so just with Google it, get day method JS. What mistake we are done? Uh, okay, date birthday. Yeah, uh, run it. Get day, so it is going to be give the day. So it is actually what it will give, it will give the integer. So based on that integer it is going to be match the cases here. Okay, so case 0 or case 1 or something like that, no. So it is going to be give the get day. So that is uh, a day it is going to be give. So what is the days? So either 0, 1, 2, 3. If it is a okay. Now, so let's say here only you can see. If you just reset it, if you just run it, okay. So what it is printing? So birthday. So birthday dot get day. It is going to be give the get day. So or else I will just remove this one, delete, run it. So birthday new. So here what happens? So it is giving the date. So birthday dot get day. So day it is going to be printed. So here it is a 3 is there. So what is a 3? Okay. What it is printing? Date. It is giving a complete day. So birthday dot get day. It is going to be give the exact day. So that day it is going to be stored in the day. So that is a 3. What is a 3 here? So 0, 1, 2, 3. So that is why it is printing a Wednesday. Okay. Okay. So here I will print a Z. Let y equals to x dot. Okay. We'll print this one only. Control V, Control S. We'll go here. 3 it is printing. How it is, sir? So birthday dot get day. So oh, okay. What mistake we have done here? There are a simple mistake we have done. So I will just show here. So here we need to call a new operator. Okay. So here what happens? The x is now it's an object by the object. This is a get day is a method. It is going to be a print here. So here, just if you print here, if you're going to be get the, see, the 3 is there. Earlier I have missed this one, that's why it is showing like this. Okay, so date it is going to be give the current. So this is a one switch case. So it is going to be it will behave like a one condition. What we can say for the specific condition, for the specified location, or a specific condition, and for a specific behavior. So now if you don't have a something like that, okay, to uh, let's say this is for the get day is there, you have some other condition. Let's say he is having a vegetarian or something like that, you want to check vegetarian, vegetarian, non-vegetarian, so like that. So there is a those options are not mentioned here. So there is a one more key, this one will come, so that is called a default. Okay, so default it is going to be execute with a any condition. Okay, so that is switch case is there. Switch case it is going to be checked for the author condition, and if it is not there, then it is going to be execute a default condition. So what is the default condition? So let's say I will take a one more temporary variable will define equals to no dates found, something like that. How? So if you just remove this one Wednesday, this three, then you will get to know. Control S. So text is sorry, this is the day, right? So we'll take a break. So sorry, this is the day. It is there. Control S. Right click. Open with the live server. See, no dates are found. Why? Because we have just removed a Wednesday, so it will come for the 0th location. Today's date is a uh, Wednesday. The case 3 will be loaded. So that is a 3 will be loaded. So case 0 is there, case 1 is there, case 2 is there, but case 3 is not there. That's why it is not showing. Okay. So this is how it will works. So default means what? If all the cases are gone through, nothing is matched, at least no data found, we need to print it. So that is called a default. And what is the break? Everywhere we are using a break. Break means it is going to be stop the execution of the program. Okay, so this is all about what you can say uh, switch condition or a switch statement. Okay, a switch it is going to be uh, perform the different actions based on the different conditions. Now I am comparing a date. Now I want to compare the student with the highest greater than 90. I want to spend my specific name. So it is a different conditions we can add it. Okay. The next it is coming a JavaScript loops. So why we need a loop? Whenever you want to perform a repetitive work, so at that time you need a loop. So what is a loop? So you have a student registration book is there, so there you want to loop through. So first data is a student id, name, email, mobile number and everything. So next, so next student details, like that it is going to be next, next, and next. So it is going to be iterated. Iteration means what? First day you have called this name, second day, third day, same thing you are going to be repeating. So that is called a loop. Okay. So JavaScript to loops. The first will come the what we can say a for loop. First is what? The for loop. So for that I will take one more index 15.html and the document. Control S. for loop. Okay, for loop. So now what we want to do? So what is a for loop? So it will loops through for a specific number of times. Okay, so just I will take a one loop here script, and I will take a let txt as a one empty string for open close brace. So this is the for loop, and let I equals to 0, I less than n I plus plus. So let I equals to 0. What is the I? So I is in a temporary variable, so it is going to be assigned with the 0. Then what is the I? 0. What is the n? So n we don't know. So I plus plus means it is going to be increment. So n value, what I will do? I will do n equals to 10. So now what happens? Let I equals to 0. Okay, I is like 0. Is 0 is less than 10? Yes. Then increment by 1. So here I want to print that one. Txt plus equals to, so I. Okay, just I want to add a one break here. After adding every element, so just make a space, add a break. Okay, then we'll print here document dot write of txt. Right click, open with the live server. See here, it is going to be looped through the all the 10 items. So for how it will work? So initially I is a 0, so that is sure. Then it will check for the, so this is the initially I is 0. Then it will I less than n means what? Is 0 is less than 10? Is it right? Yes. So then increment by 1. So what is the increment by 1? So 0 plus 1 means what? 1. Okay. So then it is going to be add a 0 here. Now the I value is 1. So now I equals to 1 now, because incremented by 1 is 1 is less than 10. Yes, increment by 1, so that is a 2. So that is, it is printing the next value. So like that it is going to be loop through for up to 9, because so we have a 10th element, but the index it is starting from the 0. So that's why 0 to 10 totally 10 items are there. Okay, so this is called a JavaScript, a loops. Okay, next is what a different kind. So we have a different kinds of loops are there. So this is the first loop. Okay, so this is a one type of loop. What we can say. This is a normal. What we can say. This one numbers loop. I have an array. Let's say constant cricketer list. Crick list is one variable. I have taken a square bracket, the Virat, control X, control V, Virat, Maxwell, Fab Duplessis, Dinesh, Karthik. Okay, Dinesh Karthik. Okay, so this is a my list is there. So I want to iterate this list. Okay, so what is the list name? This is the list name. So initially I have set an 0. Then I want to find the disk length. How to find the disk length? So correct list dot length. Correct, correct, correct list dot length means it is going to be given what is the length? 0, 1, 2, 3. So then it is going to be print every item. So so now what I want to do? I want to use a correct list of I. Okay. So first I want to find the overall length. So length is 3. So crix of 0 means what? It is going to print a Virat, Maxwell, Duplessis, Dinesh Karthik. So control S. If I just go here, see the Virat, Maxwell, Fab Duplessis, Dinesh Karthik. How it is printing? So initially, as we know, I equals to 0. Yes. So is 0 is less than crix dot length. Okay, so now what happens here? Let I equals 0, I less than Chris dot length, I plus plus, text equal to Chris list of I break. Okay, here what happens? The Chris list dot length, what it is going to be print? It is going to be print the, this is the length item. So total items is 4, index is 3. So that is why it is going to be a 3. Okay. So initially it is a I is 0. What is the crix dot length? So that crix dot length is 0. Sorry, 3. So is 0 is less than 3? Yes, increment by 1. So now I become a 1 and crix length of 0 is what? The Virat. The Virat is added here. So next it will come for the is 1 is less than, so what is I know? I is 1 now. Is 1 is less than 3. So then print this one. Crix of 1 is what? Maxwell. Maxwell is added, then increment by 1. Okay. So like that, it will come for the now increment by 1 means what? Okay, I will explain deeply. Okay. What is the I now? So the I is 0. That's clear. What is the crix dot length? So this is the actual length of the array. So 0, 1, 2, 3. So crix dot length is 3. Then I plus plus means increment by 1. So, so what is the 0? So here this is the length is 3. So here is first first iteration I is 0. Is 0 is less than 3? Yes. Then increment by 1. So that is a 1. So text crix less of 1 is what? It is going to be print the value 1. Then it is going to be increment. Now I value is incremented by 1 is I equals to 1 now. Is 1 is less than 3. Correct list dot length is 3. So is 1 is less than 3? Yes. Then increment by 1. So now it is a 2. So correct length of 1 is what? Maxwell. Maxwell is added. Next it will come. What is the I value now? I value is 2. Okay. Is 2 is less than 3? Yes. Increment by 1. Okay. So correct list of 2. 0, 1, 2. Okay. So now Fab Duplessis is added. Already Virat is added. Maxwell is added. Fab Duplessis is added now. So then now it is a 3. Sorry, this is for the 0 Virat, 1 for the Maxwell, 2 for the Fab Duplessis. For the 3, whenever the 3 will 0, 1, 2, 3. So it is going to be a printer tricks of length, trick list of 3 is it is going to be printer this loop. And again it is going for the increment by 1, but it is a not less, 3 is not less than 3, means 3 is not less than 3, that's why it will stop the execution. Tricks list of 3 it is going to be print the Dinesh Karthik. So this is how the loop will be executed. Okay, so this is called a what we can say loops. The next is what a for in loop. Loop through the properties of an object. What is a for in loop? Loops through the properties of an object. What is the loops through and properties of an object? What is an object? So object is a real world entity. Okay, so this is the real world entity which is having a properties and methods. Okay, again the property is having a property name and a property value. So through iterate through the property name, so we are going to be use the for in loop. Okay, so here in the for loop we need to understand the three things are there. The first one is what? Initialization. Initialization. So this is called a initialization phase. Okay, the second one will come, that is the comparison. Okay, so this is phase is called a comparison, and the third will come increment. Okay, so initialization and increment, sorry, comparison and increment. So this for loop containing three things. One is the initialization, comparison, increment. So initialization should be 0 or 1 or 100 anything, and the comparison should be something greater than, less than, equals to, double equals to, not equals to anything. And increment is so whether whatever the stage here it is, you are going to be increment. So there is a possibility of call the decrement as well. Okay, so either you can go with the increment or decrement. So this is the minimal three things are involved in a JavaScript, sorry, for loop. Okay, so next we are going to be discuss about what we can say for of loop and the for in loop. Okay, so those are the very important topics. So first one will go for the for in loop. So here what happens here, I want to create a one more what we can say object constant. I will take a ballers list bracket. Okay, who are all the ballers? uh, what is this one? Bhuvaneshwar, Umesh, Maxwell. Okay, so these are all the ballers I will take. uh, Something Watson. Okay, so these are all the ballers. Let's say this is the ballers array is there. But this is the array, but I want to use the key pair value. So key pair value, ballers list. So I want to change the this array to like this. So how to take a f f name is what? Watson, or else Maxwell, and fr- franchisee is RCB, and uh, location is Australia. Okay, so this is the object is there. So I want to iterate through this object. Here what we have iterated to the arrays. But here I want to iterate to the object. So how to do? So here I will take a let temp equals to empty string. So this is my object. We know this one. I have created the temporary variable. Then we are going to be for open close brace. Sorry. Let let x in what is the object name? Ballers. So what ballers it containing? It is going to be containing. So what it is going to be dumped from the every iteration? Property name. First will be f name. Second one will be this one. So here what happens? So I want to take a temporary variable equals to. So now the bowlers of x. So how it is going to be executed then? So this is the ballers array is there. We know this one. So I want to iterate through the property name. So property name is the f name, franchisee, location. So here I have taken out temporary variables to store the value and let x. So x is also one more temporary variable. So ballers. So first it is what it is going to do. It will dump the f name in the x. Okay, first will property name will be f name. The f name is dumped to here. That is a ballers of f name means it is a Maxwell. The first one will be a Maxwell. The next it will come for the ballers. Next is the franchisee. The franchisee is dumped to x. Ballers of franchisee is a RCB. Then it will come. Next, bowlers go for location. So location is doubled to the X. Bowlers of location means it is going to be at the Australia. So all Maxwell, RCB, Australia. It is printed like this. So then it is going to be open in place server. You will see the output. So so here we have not printed the output here. So how to print? So I will do CLG console.log temp control S, right click, inspect. We'll go to the console. See here, the Maxwell RCB Australia. So if you want to add some what we can say breakthrough line, so add a BR tag, so it will break every line. Sorry, yeah, it is a console log is there. That's why it is printing like this. See, this loop is through for in loop. Control S. See, this loop is through for in loop. So first one will be Maxwell, RCB, Australia. So this is a how to iterate through the what we can say object. So here we have looped through the arrays because it is enclosed in the square bracket. Here we have looped through the object. It is going to be contain the key pair value. So got it. So this is how it will work. Okay, so this is a all about the today's session. So I think you just practice it. I want to go. I don't want to go more fast because so if you understood well, so then it is easy to work on it. The foreign loop, it is what you can see. That till now we have worked.